Maintenant c'est l'exercice. Now it's the exercise. अभी आपको एक exercise solve करनी है. It's very simple. बहुत simple है. Okay? So here I have given you 5 sentences and this exercise is based on interrogative adjectives. मैंने आपको 5 sentences दिए हैं और ये exercise interrogative adjective यानी कि पूछताछ विशेषण पर आधारित है. Let's go. Let's start. Now I would translate all these sentences for you in Hindi and English. मैं इन सारे sentences को हिंदी और English में translate करूँगी. Okay? First, Dash est un professeur de français. Dash est un professeur de français, which means Dash is your French teacher. Dash is your French teacher. Dash आपका French professor. Dash आपका French professor. And the answer for this is qui. Qui, what does qui means? Correct. Who. WHO, who means qui. कौन. Dash est un professeur de français. Qui est un professeur de français? Who is your French teacher? Got it? Good. Now let's move on to the second sentence. Dash est la gare de métro. Dash est la gare de métro. Now here you have a question mark. Prashna chinha. So, Dash est la gare de métro. Dash is the station of metro or Dash is the metro station. Dash hai metro station. Dash hai metro station. So the answer here is où, which means where. Où, where, kahan. That becomes où est la gare de métro? Where is the metro station? Kahan hai metro station? Got it? Good. Now let's move on to the third sentence. Third, dash allez-vous? Dash allez-vous? Dash are you? Dash are you means dash hai aap. Dash hai aap. The answer here is comment, which means how. How are you? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous, which means how are you? So, comment allez-vous? How are you? कैसे हैं आप? Got it? Now, the fourth one. Dash es-tu en retard? Dash es-tu en retard? Dash are you late? Dash are you late? Dash late हैं आप? The answer here is pourquoi. Pourquoi es-tu en retard? Why are you late? क्यों late हैं आप? Okay? Fifth one. Dash est le nom de ton oncle. Dash est le nom de ton oncle. Dash is the name of your uncle. Dash is the name of your uncle. Dash है आपके uncle का नाम. So the answer here is quel. Quel est le nom de ton oncle? What is the name of your uncle? क्या है आपके चाचा का नाम? क्या है आपके चाचा का नाम? Okay, good. Tell me what is the mother in French. मुझे बताइए the mother यानी कि माँ को French में क्या बोलते हैं? Alright, you might get it. La mère, which means the mother, माँ. Good. Second, so tell me what is where in French. Where as in W-H-E-R-E, which means कहाँ. It's où. Où. Où means where. Good. Third, now tell me what is uncle called in French. मुझे बताइए uncle को French में क्या बोलते हैं? Did you guess it right? Correct. It's l'oncle. L'oncle. Another one would be, tell me what is to sing in French. मुझे बताइए गीत गाने को French में क्या बोलते हैं? गीत गाना, to sing, what is this called in French? Did you guess it right? Did you guess it wrong? Or you don't know? It's okay. It's chanter. Chante, chanter, chante, which means to sing. Geet gana. With this, we are done with our today's exercise.